This afternoon, we are hearing from High Point Police Chief Curtis Cheeks. If you plan to be out and about this summer, this comes as police are still searching for a man who assaulted 2 women on the Bicentennial Greenway and threatened a man on Tuesday. Our Aaron Burnett explains what the chief wants you to know.
Chief Cheeks says Tuesday's assault at the Greenway is rare, and he doesn't recall a similar assault happening at that section of the Greenway in his 2 decades with the police department. So he made it a point to say that the Greenway is still a safe place to be, and he doesn't want people to fear using this public space. It's more about remaining smart when outside.
I want people to be aware that yes, we did have an incident, but I think they should also feel comfort in, again, how long do we go before we see anything happen. Be in pairs at the minimum. This day and age, we don't go very many places without our cell phones. But we want to remind people, especially out on the Greenway, even in the event of a slip, trip, or fall, that you have a way to contact someone or law enforcement if you need assistance.
Chief Cheeks also recommended following the general safety rules. If you see something, say something, and just be very vigilant of your surroundings when you're outside. In High Point, I'm Aaron Burnett, WXII 12 News.
Well, a person is in the hospital following a late-night assault in Greensboro. Police found the victim just before 11 last night on South Regional Road. Now, officers did not say anything about the victim's condition, the type of assault, or if there's a possible suspect. We have asked Greensboro police all of these questions and are waiting to hear back. A person hurt in a separate incident also in the Gate City is recovering this afternoon. Police found this victim just after 8 o'clock last night on Bessemer Avenue. Detectives later learned this person was attacked miles away on South Holden Road. We are working to figure out what led to this assault and if anyone is in custody. Let's go to Burlington, where firefighters say unattended cooking sparked an apartment fire. This fire happened just after 6:15 this morning on Henry Drive. We're told that crews got those flames under control in about 10 minutes. And we're told the fire started on the stovetop and spread to the cabinets around it. It has now caused around $12,000 in total damage. Well, today marks 34 years since the Winston-Salem Police Department lost one of its officers in the line of duty. This morning, a wreath was laid in front of the Public Safety Center in honor of Lieutenant Aaron Tice. On June 26, 1992, his patrol car was hit by a suspect who was driving a stolen construction vehicle. Now, all day today, officers will be wearing black bands on their badges, and other staff will wear black ribbons to remember the lieutenant.
Others before self. Every police officer in Winston-Salem puts the community before themselves. So, and we've unfortunately seen that happen in Winston-Salem, but we are here to protect all the community, and if that means giving our life to do that, then we will do it. And Lieutenant Tice and every name on that wall serves as an example of that.
Winston-Salem Police honors all slain police officers on the anniversaries of their deaths. Now, a suspect who hit Lieutenant Tice's cruiser, Conrad Cruz, remains in prison. Well, we continue to follow the latest on those deadly earthquakes in Venezuela. At last check, the death toll has risen to 589 lives lost, with thousands injured and even more still missing. So the 7.2 and 7.5 magnitude earthquakes were among the strongest in Venezuela in more than a century. The Venezuelan Red Cross says the immediate needs right now include search and rescue, emergency shelter, and health care. Now, access to safe water, hygiene needs, and sanitation will also be critical. Native Venezuelans here in the Triad are still trying to figure out the best way to help and get aid into their home country.
I wish I could, get on a plane and go and give them a hug and bring them comfort and first aid supplies and what do you need. But I can't. Even the main airport in Venezuela was structurally damaged. As the days, the hours and days continue to pass, then we will know more. And we will definitely get organized as community members, as Venezuelan Americans living in this community, how we can support our loved ones and families with resources down there.
Beckles says her family is asking for prayers right now as they are now worried about aftershocks. Now, the American Red Cross has activated its Restoring Family Links program. Their number is right here on your screen. It's for family members who are not able to contact their loved ones right now in the country.